Today I bring the Pano Vlog Ballhead. Now this is an awesome little device. It comes with a quick release and adjustable ball right there that you could actually move the camera different directions. This is great for you photographers that are out there. Easy to set up a camera system, remove it, move it, adjust it as you go, because the tripod you really don't have that many options. This actually works really well, real simple to actually adjust some of the stuff. So let's open it up. Easy. They give you instructions, a walking card, thank you for your support. A lot of adjustable tools with the Allen wrench, a little tiny flatheads, if you guys can see, an adjustable thing too. So we're gonna take a look at it. It's on the box, it's embedded in there, really secure in here. So let's go ahead and open it up, remove it all the way. Now this is very professional, really steel material, aluminum and steel to mix together. Really smooth actually rotations, if you guys can see that. Adjusting the ball is as easy as releasing it, and you can hear it adjusting. Tighten it up. You got different angles of tightening up. This actually is to set up more of features. You could put your LED lights, or you could put a microphone. You could adjust other things in here. This is an awesome little feature you have in here too. Also, the quick release is simple. To release, it will be this mechanism right here, if you guys can see it. Easy to release, and this actually works as tightening it up. All right, so you can put it in the center and then tie it up, and it won't move. Now this one here is to adjust the speeds. If you want to rotate it faster, you can. If you want to tighten it up and keep it in a certain area, you can do that by just tightening it up. Keep tightening it up in here. Let me see. There you go. You can't move this no more. So everything is really well made. If you guys can see, it has a really smooth adjustments, if you guys can see. If you want to even keep it loose and just make your adjustments as you go, you can do that. This actually gives you the option to just adjust it anywhere you go. You could do a steel motion animation or anything like that, and this to release is easy. When you release, you can release either way. All right, you can go either this way, but then you see these screws, you could lift them up so it could be one directional if you want. All right, but smooth adjustment, 300 degrees all around, no joints, noise or anything. This actually really smooth connection. And another plus thing is where they give you the extra actual adapters for the smaller version. And if you can see it, we do have that in here for the actual tripods. So if you have a regular basic tripod that you want to set this up, you're going to need to install this joint in here. There's actually an adapter in here. So we're going to have to adjust this adapter here for regular tripods in here. So we do have a tripod in here. And if you can see, I'm going to adjust as much as I can with my finger, but then I could go in there and finish it out with this. And that's it. That's how you have your joint in here. If you want to remove it, you could. It's easy as remove it. You could do it with a penny, a nickel, and dime too also, or a flathead if you have one. Adjusting the head is very simple, really smooth, and really easy to adjust. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, let's go ahead and remove this joint here. If you guys can see it, we're going to remove it, and we're going to set it up on a camera. We're going to put this on the side. Now we get to adjust it however you want. Want to center it. There we go. There's your camera, release, easy. Now the camera is set up where you could release this and it could adjust either way on that. We're going to test it out on the actual tripod so you can see what I'm talking about. Right, so let's go ahead and recenter it back. All right, on a tripod, we're going to remove this, release it here. You guys can see it, and then we're going to set it up where you guys can adjust and see it. And then here you could twist it. It comes with that. You could twist it. Now I'm going to open it up in here and release it, and that's pretty much how I have it in there. Very simple, easy to set up. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. All right, so we're gonna get our camera in here, and of course when we get our camera, we could just adjust it however you want. You could slide it in there, and then we end up tying it up. All right, or tying the joints, and it's pretty much really good, handy. And then this is movable, easy, any direction you want to point certain degrees. So this is adjustable to any kind of degrees, even down. You could do a straight down to 90-degree angle, and then adjusting, like I said, it's really smooth. And this is to tighten up the top, this is to tie the bottom, and it adjusting is really smooth. If you guys can see that, let's remove it a little bit more, and you guys can see how much. And here's the actual degrees. You could actually put it in there real simple to a 360. Everything is adjustable in here. Like I said, joints in a certain area, and it won't move too much. You know, I'm moving the actual tripod, so, and because it's not tight enough, I'll just have to adjust things, you know. And this is pretty sturdy, really sturdy. Like I said, different degrees you could shoot up. And to remove this thing is real simple. Like, even like I said, this part right here is my favorite because the joints actually move really simple. You could, like I said, you could tighten it up, even loosen it up, or tie it up. And putting your fingers not hard in here. And if you can see it, I can't move too much unless I have the camera loose. And there we go. Really nice footage. So you're gonna rotate. You want to film something really smooth, you can do that in the rotation manually here. Same thing here. If you loosen it up, you could do this slowly, rotate the whole thing. Real simple. Now, one thing, this is adjustable too for your microphone or an LED light or any other options that you could set up on your camera. Very simple.